But, at least, you burn off some calories. Tapos, hindi na alam yung gagawin. Pray and give thanks. Ayun naman, pagkain na naman yun sa utak ni Jax Reyes, guys. It should be, you should start with gratitude. CR, ano sa loob ng boast. Guys, now, pwede ka nang lumafang. Guys, early day today. So, I'm going to go get the bake shop first. Parang gusto ko i-try kasi itong isang bake shop. Kain tayo ng kain na, Jax Reyes. Sige. It's called the Full Hakata. And I'm going to the Nanzuin Temple. Ito yung may reclining Buddha. And then maybe in the afternoon, I'll go to the Zaifu Temanggu. So, that's the temple na talagang bakit ako pupunta at babalik dito sa Fukuoka. Let's go! So guys, umuulan na, but it's okay. The Full is near Ueden. Kinainan natin ng isang araw, diba? Yung may mentay ko. So it's just near there. Pero syempre guys, ang recommendation ko, hindi mo naman kayang isabay-sabay lahat yan. Isipin mo, kumain ka ng mentay ko, tapos kumain ka pa ng tinapay. So, hiniwalay-hiwalay ko lang talaga siya. And after that, tsaka ako pupunta doon sa, what do you call that? The temples. Buti na lang yung ulan ngayon, medyo ambon lang. Hindi siya yung parang bagsak level. So, we're praying for that. Huwag na siyang bumagsak. Guys, ayan na siya. Ganyan ang pila mo dyan. So, pila ka talaga. Pero go, pila na tayo. Sa dito naman na. Parang mabilis naman yung pila niya. So, I don't think it will take that long. Pero baka 30 minutes na talaga siya. As what Google said. Guys, ito siya. Medyo lumalakas yung ulan. Pero, guys, susuko. Pasang sisiw mode tayo. But, at least we got the bread. I got the goods. Guys, alam nyo, pumila kayo habang umuulan kasi walang tao pag umuulan. So, yun yung best tip dito. Pumila kayo ng umuulan. Tingnan mo, nawala lahat ng tao pag hindi na umuulan, guys. Try na natin siya. Kasi habang mainit pa siya. So, this is what it will look like. The mentay ko bread. Guys, everything will be put on hold. So, ito yung bread mo. Diba? And then, it will be cut in half. This is how it will look like. Ang crunchy. Sobrang crunchy, guys. So, freshly baked from the oven siya. Like, oh my god, guys. It's so good. I mean, you have to try it. Feeling ko mas gusto ko pa to kaysa dun sa kinain ko yesterday. So good. Lunch mo na to. Lunch ko na to, guys. Boosh, diba? At least, I did everything that I need and then, kakainin ko rin yung bread ko. And then, makapagpalit lang ako ng konti kasi grabe guys, yung kanina talaga yung basa. Buhos talaga, as in buhos talaga. Grabe talaga yung ulan kanina, diba? As in, nakakaloka talaga yung ulan. But anyways, I just want to show you the mentay ko that we got ng mga breads. Diba? So this is the baguette. Diba, this is the baguette that we had. Ganito siya, guys. So, if you're going to open it, yan yung mga mentay ko niya sa loob. So, this is the melon pan. Diba, the melon pan. Ayan. Matamis. This is so good rin. Okay. Sorry guys, that tinatry ko talaga. And then later, alam niyo naman yan, mamaya, kainin ko yung mga tira-tira ko. This is the curry. Ang sarap. Sarap din. Iba talaga pag Japanese curry eh. Last but not the least, your bread. The garlic bread. Oh my gosh, tingnan nyo guys. So cheesy yung garlic bread niya. Like, oh my god, cheesy siya. Let's see. Sarap. Sarap guys. Para siyang basta Japanese garlic bread. Medyo ang dami ko nabiling bread pero I think ito na talaga yung ano ko. Meal ko for the day. Daming carbs. Sorry po, coach. Excuse me. Pepsi Max lang siya. Yun muna, and I'm gonna go to the temple na in a bit. Guys, I'm going to the temple na. So, diba, if you're going to look at the Google's map, meron dito, Chikushi Gate ang entrance ko for the Fukuho Kuyutaka line. So, when you go to the entrance of your gates, you'll see naman there, boom, nandiyan yung gate. And then, pagpasok mo dyan, you just look for the JC line. So, hanapin lang natin saan yung JC line. So, guys, yun yun, JR train. Diyan ka bibili ng ticket if ever. Pero, alam ko that the JR can take your, what do you call that? Pasmo, Icoca, all of those cards. So, hindi na ako bibili ng ticket kasi okay naman na. And then, double check ko lang the JR line kasi nandiyan naman yung JR line. So, that's how it is. That's the map. Okay. Oh, guys, sa JR pwede na rin pala. Yan, oh. Anyways. So, yes, pwede na siya. Okay, now checking out my lane. Kasi I need a Fukuho, going to Kido, Nanzon May Lane. Is nakita nyo yan, Nogata, diba? The last two is Nogata, so track 8 yan. So pag nakita nyo dyan, track 8. So follow the number, track 8, then dun kayo pupunta. And don't forget na meron siyang rapid and then meron din siyang express. So titingnan mo kung saan magsa-stop. Kung pupunta tayo sa Kido Nanzoin May Station, dapat doon nagsa-stop yung train mo. Kasi kung hindi, guys, wala yan. So just to double check, 12:51, that's the nearest rapid service. So titingnan mo kung meron siyang rapid service, kung saan siya magsa-stop. So, track 8 tayo. We'll go to track 8. Follow the sign. Track 8. Paakyat dito, 7 and 8. Go up here. Guys, we're here. As in, my goodness, iba na yung amoy dito ng hangin. Parang, basta, ang fresh. Ganun yung peg. So, ito yung stop natin. Kido Nanzon. I did not book this with Klook. I know that meron silang mga trips with Klook, but I just did not book with Klook because I'm the type na mas gusto ko mag-isa. Nag-DIY ako. I have my Icoca card, so just go by yourself kung kailangan mo bumili. It's okay. By the way, guys, hindi ka pwede na naka-shorts or ganito. So, reminder po yan. So, ganun siya, guys. From the station, lakarin mo lang siya pa ganon. Guys, I think alam niyo naman medyo mabilis talaga ako maglakad. So, I will try to go slow and pan. Pero, everything else that you can do it by yourself naman. Hindi siya mahirap. So 2 temples ako today. First this one, and then the education. Kasi I really went back to Fukuoka for that. Dami yan. So reclining Buddha yung pinakasikat mo here. So when you have the reclining Buddha, yun yung parang yun yung gusto ko makita. And syempre, I'll just pray. I'll pray din. Guys, ang ganda nito. Oh my gosh. So guys, I think repair siya right now, but I'm switching over to my phone kasi hindi ako pwede mag-video using the Osmo. It's like an instruction that you cannot use. But ito siya. It's very solemn and sobrang ganda ng place. So I think go. And the tip here is if you're going alone, libre siya kasi wala akong binayaran. This is temple number 4, guys. Ito yun. That's it, guys. Done na ako. But there's a lot of places you can take videos. You have to be very careful. So, yun yung parang kailangan ingatan nyo lang. Kasi if your groups pala, may bayad siya 200 per person. So, yung mga tours yan. Pero kung hindi ka tour, mag-isa ka lang like me, it's for free. So, that's one thing that you can do. I recommend na go there solo. It's free of charge. So, syempre, every time naman I really go to temples, I do pray. And this is where tithes comes in, di ba? Na parang, since wala ka naman admission, may recommendation, if you can give something, give a little, ibigay mo na lang. Kasi, again, it will also help restoration of the temple. It is also helping them do their objective and all of the different deeds that they have. So, yun yung one thing that I want to remind each and everyone. And of course, when you're in a temple, kung nakasulat, no photography. So I believe I won't have a lot of videos and footages for you to see. But it's okay. I think the most important thing there is, at the very least, nakapag-focus ako. And now, next to balik na ako and go to the next step. Guys, in yung train station, and ganito ka bibili ng ticket if ever wala kang ticket. Pero kung meron ka naman, go na. By the way, bawal credit card dito. So, cash yun. And if I'm not mistaken, I think I hear the train. So, yes, tama ako, guys. Okay, so we're back here. Now what I need to do is bus stop naman tayo because I need to go to your other side. It will be on the right side, on the main entrance. Okay, that's the bus terminal. Ayan siya. Tawid tayo. Sa baba, marami kang pwede pang bilhin. Mga convenience store, so bibili ka na kasi mahaba yung ride, and then mag-CR ka na rin, guys. Huwag kayong hindi mag-CR kasi baka mamaya maihi kayo. Tapos hindi niya alam yung gagawin sa loob ng CR, sa loob ng bus. Guys, may mga pwede kayong bilhin dito ng mga food, mga snacks. Meron yan sa baba. Onigiris, bentos. Guys, hindi kayo bababa. Dapat sa 1F. Ako mali ako bumaba kasi ako. So now, hahanapin ko kung saan yung mga bus na mayroon. So you'll see the buses kung saan siya pupunta. Nandiyan sa mga signs. So guys, 700 yung fee mo to go to the Zaifu. Guys, ito na yung bus mo. You will tap to pay. We're off, guys. Ito na. Aalis na. Sorry po, minsan bumubulong-bulong talaga ako, guys. Kasi alam mo, when you're in Japan, you have to really talk very silently. This is the bus stop. Diyan ako sumakay. Dito ka magsa-stop. And then, meron pa nga Ichiran dito. So, okay. Now, buti na lang nag-stop ulit yung rain. I'm so happy. Okay. Now, we're going to go diretso na to the Zaifu. So, from here, all you're gonna do is you're gonna walk. But for sure, guys, ayan na yan. And oh my God, ang dami pwedeng bilhin. Meron yung parang snacks. And then you have other things here. As in, ang dami. Oh, there's even coffee. Diba? If you want coffee. Like, ang dami mo pwedeng makita here. And may mga maliliit na mga gifts. Like these stores. Mamaya na yan. Don't lose. Oh my God, may hotdog. The Zaifu hotdog. Oh my gosh, look, guys. Ayan na naman, pagkain na naman yun sa utak ni Jax Reyes, guys. Medyo maraming tao kasi it's a Saturday. But oh my gosh, there's like so much food and I'm like excited for food. Dami. Pero parang bawal na ako kumain. The whole temple is really big. As in, malaki yung complex niya. So you see people taking photos. So, ang dami mong pwedeng kainan here. Uso tong parang siyang mochi, if I'm not mistaken. Like, parang fried mochi. Tapos parang dates ata yung sa loob niyan eh. Mamaya, pag we have extra time, kain tayo, guys. Pero for now, let's do the trip and the tour first. And diba, when you touch the bowl, dapat you wash your hands here first. So, hindi pwedeng hindi. Ayan. Kasi if you're gonna touch the ball, guys, may ball yan, you have to make sure that you touch. Ganyan siya. Diba, you touch the ball, head, parang ganun, for luck. And then, ito naman tayo. Gonna go in here. Sobrang ganda niya. Ang ganda, grabe. Alam mo, parang hindi pa siya ganito nung last time I was here. Basta iba yung ganda niya ngayon. Grabe. Look, if we're gonna go close. Those are some of the things there. And there are a lot of different things that you can see here pa. Definitely may mga souvenirs you can buy. Maraming mga souvenirs yan dito. You can check it out. Diba? Iba-iba yan. Guys, I think it's a quote or a fortune here. So you get 100. Tapos babasahin mo siya. And then itatay mo siya doon. Yun pala siya. Sa labas, meron pang ganito. You have more things you can see. By the way, undergoing renovation sa loob. That's why, sabi ko, ba't parang nagbago siya? I got the reason. But nonetheless, I think if you're here, try to go. It's still nice. It's still very solemn. So, I think I'm good saying the prayers and everything. Diba? Thank you. Coming back. So, like what I said nga, I came back because nung nag-exam si JP, my brother, I asked na, syempre, he will pass the boards para maging doctor, diba? So, that's why I came back after the 7 years ago. So, that's like coming back, saying thanks, diba? Alam mo naman, kaya nga I remember always, pag sinasabi ng dad ko na parang, whenever you pray, or whenever you give thanks, diba? And I remember a monk saying this na parang, when you pray and give thanks, you should start with gratitude. You should not start with, I want this. You say thanks with gratitude first, rather than giving thanks, asking what you want. Guys, sikat rin yung yung bridge na yan. So something that you also, when you're here, tingnan nyo rin yan. So may mga ganyan pa. So why not check it out? Ito dun, Tenkai Shrine. So may Inari Shrine din daw here. So let's check it out. Nandito na eh. May amusement park pa nga dito eh. Nandun sa kabilang side. So guys, mga shrines. Whoa. Almost the end, guys. Patag na siya. So, ano kaya meron dito? I'm just intrigued. Kasi may path eh. A road lang siya. So, I think you can go walk down here. Pababa dun sa kabila. So, going to the city. So, it leads you to a road. Basically, it's like your shortcut road Kung gusto mo medyo trekking or hiking ka. Okay, so paglabas mo, ano na siya? The main road na ulit. Yun nga lang, malayo na ako sa station. But, girl, ang layo ko. Nandiyan na ako. Tapos, boosh! Ganyang kalayo siya. So, back! O, diba? Masyado ito kahirap. 20 minutes. But, at least, you burn off some calories. Now, pwede ka nang lumafang. Pak. You deserve whatever you want to eat there. Guys, so 40 minutes lang yung bus ride. And then, pwede na mag-visa. Wait, nakapakita ko sa inyo na din yan.
Arigatou gozaimashita. Arigatou gozaimashita.
Arigatou gozaimashita. Ayan na, may visa terminal. So, those are visa terminal. And then, here we are. We're gonna go to second floor, City Bus, JR, the first floor. So, ang arrival nila, guys, second floor. Ang depart is first floor. Okay. And then, labas na tayo. Exit. Guys, ang sarap nito. Sarap. Protein bar. Medyo ayok pa kasi kumain. I wanna go Yodobashi. Na guys, Yodobashi. Time to cross the street. Look at these. My gosh, these are so cute. It's so cute. Oh my god, look at this. Patagonias. Pero let's look for Porter. Dati meron dito yan eh. Oh my. Ito. Hindi. God, ito na, Porter. Finally. Ito siya. Lumipat sila. In fairness, ang daming stocks. Ang cute. Let's look. Ayan, guys. Let's see kung may mga stocks na gusto. Oh my god, ito yung bago nila. These are so cute. This is cute. Ito yung mga bago rin na parang mas maliliit. Palagay ng phones to, guys. Oh. Tapos ito parang side sling bag-ish. Tapos meron sila yung mga ganito, coated canvas. So, hindi yan nababasa sa ulan. But I personally don't like that kasi mas gusto ko yung ganito. Yung nylon talaga, guys. Like yung mga ganyan. Kasi magaan. Tapos, medyo waterproof naman siya. Hindi siya, syempre bawal mo ibasa. Pero, not bad. I mean, pwede na. Parang ganun siya. Mas konti talaga stock nila here. Unlike nasa Tokyo talaga. Oh my god, namin. Osaka, madami doon, guys. Naabutan ko siyang bukas. So, pupunta na tayo ng Tokyo Hands. Tokyo Hands muna tayo kasi bukas na siya. Oh my gosh, guys. Look, may mga Ichiran items here. Tsaka mga Hakata goods. Oh my god, look. Ang cute. Wait. Alam ko kasi yung Porter nandito siya before. May Logel. Alam mo guys, yung Logel pala, mura dito sa Japan. Yan mo, 48,000 lang siya. This is just 48,000. Tapos yung itong medium mo, 55,000 pesos. Mas mura siya compared bibili sa Pilipinas. And maganda ang Logel. Like the quality, nakita ko siya, maganda talaga siya. Anyways, naalala ko dati nandito yung Porter na bag, pero parang wala siya dito. I think, ayun, nandun. And the third floor, guys, may ABC Mart. Plus, GU, my favorite. Alam nyo yan. Okay, wait. May titingnan lang ako ng mga sapatos kasi baka may nagpapabili sa akin ng shoes. So, titingnan natin. Sana may on sila dito. Pero baka paminsan wala. Pero let's see. Baka naman. Like na ako, guys. Hindi ako kumain sa McDo. Kasi parang wala kang crave. Alam mo yun, parang nakita ko siya. Wala akong crave. So parang Lawson chicken na lang ako. Anyways guys, tomorrow I'll be switching to a new hotel. Hindi pa lang ako sa Tenji nakastay. As in, lilipat lang ako beside the station ng Hakata. So tomorrow, kailangan ko na mag-Tenjin talaga.